estate and elder law. I'd like to offer you and your family a free workshop on estate planning and asset protection strategies to protect your life savings from the devastating costs of long-term care. Most people don't realize it, but long-term care costs are the biggest threat to your retirement savings, your home, your nest egg, and other assets that you've worked so hard for. Most people have no plan in place. Without a plan, then everything you've worked hard for, as I said, is at risk. So at the workshop, we teach you about these risks, how to avoid them, and how you can go about putting a plan in place to protect your assets to make sure that they're not at risk to these long-term care expenses. All you have to do to register for the workshop is click the link below or give us a call.